Hey guys, this is my review on this kitchen scale that I purchased a while ago from Amazon. It has a capacity starting from 1 gram to up to 10 kilograms or 353 ounces. It has a Tare function, and also you can change between ounces and grams very easy. It has an on and off button, and for example, if you want to weight something, you can press the Tare button. If you put like a plate or something else on it. Now for example, if I want to weight this, it says 1.51 ounces or 43 grams. It works with two AA batteries, and after 1 minute it will automatically close. Very good material, very easy to use, and I really like it a lot. Thank you so much.